Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll see how to Dockerize the Spring Boot application. So we'll take one simple application. So if you see there is this, so here a sample application. I'm loading the IntelliJ ID. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to Dockerize the Spring Boot application. Let's get started. So if you see this is a simple application. So if you see this still it is loading. So if you see this SRC, so it is not any complex code. Actually, it is having only one file. So this is the only one hello controller. So and it is having the only one API, that is get mapping. So API hello. So this is the only one method API we are using in the Spring Boot application, and we'll see how to convert this one into that in the Dockerization. Okay. So and also if you see the application property, I am using port number 8787. Okay. So if you see this project structure, this is the demo, and this is the SRC, and this is the pom.xml file. Okay. So if you see the pom.xml file, I'm giving the final name. Final name is equal nothing but if you want to generate in the jar file, which is the name, you can give that name. So here I'm giving name as demo docker, so it will be create the demo docker.jar file. Okay. So to make this Spring Boot application to containerization, then it's need one Docker file. So let's create the Docker file. So you can come to the project new, and this is the file. So here we need to give the file name as a Docker file. Okay. So here we don't use any extension actually. So this is the Docker file, and here few steps is required actually. So already I written those few steps. I'll explain you. So if you come to here, so here if you see first step is from, so first we are pulling the image JDK image 17 version, and after that we are exposing this port to 8787, and we are creating that demo docker jar using the maven. Anyway we are using it is a maven. Then this is our entry point of our docker image. Okay. So only the four steps is required to convert this Spring Boot application into the Dockerization. Okay. And if you want to convert this one, we need that Docker desktop also. So first we need to install the Docker desktop in your system. Then if you see there is no images in my Docker desktop, no container as also. Okay. So first we need to build this. So for that one, so come to that project. So here is the demo project, and I'm opening the command prompt, and we'll use mbn clean install. So it will create the jar file. Okay. So our jar file name should be demo docker.jar. Okay. We'll see once it is complete. Then so it is started build test cases. There is no test cases, nothing, only one API it is there, one get API. Yeah, now build is success. If you come to this folder, and if you see this is the target, and here is our jar file. Okay. So what next steps here is, first after generating this jar, and now we need to build this docker and we need to run. Okay. So before that one, just we need to see some commands in the docker image ls. If you see any images, there is no images as of now, so you empty. And if you want to see the already existing running processes, then you can use the docker ps-a, it will give. Okay. There are some other commands also, docker start, docker stop, docker pull, docker push. Okay. So now if you see I change that image name, there is a issue with that image name. Previously we are using demo docker. Now I change to demo java docker. Okay. This is the docker port number we are exposing 8989, and if you see tomcat is started in 8989. Okay. Now if you see the docker here also demo java docker in use. So if you come to the containers, if you see 8989, if you want to see the logs, just you can click on this, and if you see the logs here, you can see the logs here is the started. Okay. So if you want to test this API, so what is the API? It is API start hello. So it is running on 8989, right? You can go to the browser, localhost 8989 slash API slash hello. If you see, welcome to the docker. Now if you see the response here, welcome to the docker, right? So this is the process to convert your Spring Boot application into the Dockerization. Okay, so I'm not running the Spring Boot application from this ID here now, right? So it is running from this Docker. Okay, so for that one, what are the steps we need to follow? Just we need to create one Docker file here. So inside the Docker file, we need to first pull the required libraries. So here I need JDK, right? I'm pulling this one, then exposing and convert building that demo docker.jar and entry point I'm giving. So like this, we need to convert Spring Boot application into the Dockerization. Okay.